How many in here, by a show of hands, have heard that statement that 80% of the sales are made by 20% of the salespeople? Can I see a show of hands? Look around the room. Almost every single person here has heard that rule. And the fact is that that's a very true statement. 80% of the sales are made by 20% of the salespeople. But I want to tell you something even more remarkable, even more amazing, and it's going to shock you, surprise you, and might even scare one or two of you in the room. Do you realize that 80% of that 80% are closed by and sold by 20% of that 20%? So in reality, about 60 to 64% of the sales are made by the top 7 or 8% of the salespeople in the world. And would you like to be in that group? Well, we're going to put you in that group, and we're going to give you the skill sets that that group uses, the secrets that they use to put them in the top 6 or 7% of the sales industry today. Fortunes are being made, sales are being closed by people that understand that and use special skill sets that very few sales seminars ever even touch on or talk about. So we're going to talk about those in depth today, and you're going to leave with some silver bullets in your gun that you never had before. You're going to have the skill sets and the closing techniques and the things to do and say and how to interact with that prospect and that customer in a way that you never realized that you could. You're going to close a lot more sales, I promise you. So let's get ready to roll up our sleeves and go to work. It's going to be an exciting journey. It's going to be high energy and fast pace, but I'm going to see you at the top.